The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the latest action camera from GoPro. It brings a bunch of new features and a longer battery life, but carries over a lot from the Hero 11 Black. The new action camera also has the same design as the previous one. However, you now get a splash of blue all over the camera body. Priced at Rs 45,000 in India, it's actually cheaper than the previous model. Here's a first look at the new Hero 12 Black. Starting with the hardware, the GoPro Hero 12 Black comes equipped with the GP2 processor and offers a 2.27-inch touch display at the back. There's also a 1.4-inch color non-touch display on the front. In terms of design changes, you do get a new universal tripod mounting thread at the bottom. The action camera uses the same large sensor found on the Hero 11 Black that offers an 8:7 aspect ratio. However, the Hero 12 Black now comes with HDR video recording at 5.3K and 4K resolutions. GoPro has included a new vertical capture mode with the Hero 12 Black to make it easier to shoot 9:16 videos for social media. There's also the new Hyper Smooth 6.0, which is set to offer even better stabilization than before. Another new feature is the ability to record wireless audio over Bluetooth. The GoPro Hero 12 Black allows you to connect your Bluetooth headphone and record audio. You can connect up to 4 Bluetooth devices at the same time. The Hero 12 Black now supports ZP log with available LUTs for professional color grading. It also comes with improved night effects, which now support the 8:7 aspect ratio. The biggest new improvement is the longer battery life. GoPro claims that with the included Enduro battery, the Hero 12 Black can offer up to 2 times longer battery life when compared to the older model. Lastly, the Hero 12 Black is still waterproof up to 10 meters straight out of the box without a case. The GoPro Hero 12 Black does offer a bunch of new features, especially HDR video, Bluetooth audio recording, and the longer battery life. But does it warrant an upgrade from the Hero 11 Black? Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for a full review to know the final verdict.